In my last video, I reviewed the Oneplus 8T smartphone and also talk about some of the unique features of that phone, like the camera, storage system, and the display. So in this video, I'll be running a review on the Oneplus 9 smartphone. Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video, I'll be running a mini review on the Oneplus 9 smartphone. So without further much ado, let's dive in. Firstly, we'll be looking at the space of the Oneplus 9 smartphone. The first and important thing I always advise people to check when going for a smartphone is the storage space, that's the internal storage space and the RAM. So looking at the storage space of the Oneplus 9 smartphone, the RAM of the Oneplus 9 smartphone is just, I think, only one, but this internal storage space is divided into two, but they have their own separate prices. Firstly, there's one of 128 gig and 256 gig, that's for the internal storage space, but the RAM of the Oneplus 9 smartphone is 8 gig RAM. Wait, I know you might be disappointed for clicking this video that it is not fancy or too realistic like other tech videos, but I want you to know that I'm committed in improving the quality of my videos. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, support it please to grow. Thank you. So for the storage space of the Oneplus 9 smartphone, I'll be giving OnePlus a thumbs up for that. But now we'll be checking out the screen size and resolution of the Oneplus 9 smartphone. For the screen size, it has a screen size of 6.55 inches, an AMOLED display, and for the refresh rate, the Oneplus 9 smartphone has a pretty good refresh rate. A 120Hz refresh rate for me isn't that bad. For the screen resolution of the Oneplus 9 smartphone, the Oneplus 9 smartphone has a 2400 by 1080 FHD screen resolution, which is not that bad. Now, I'm looking at the camera quality of the Oneplus 9 smartphone. Now, let me bust your bubble a little. Do you know that the camera of the Oneplus 9 smartphone was co-developed by Hasselblad? Hasselblad is one of the leading manufacturers of digital lenses. So now, the Oneplus 9 smartphone camera features a 48 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixel monochrome lens. Now let's look at the video resolution of the Oneplus 9 smartphone. How well can the Oneplus 9 smartphone shoot videos? The Oneplus 9 smartphone can shoot 8K videos at 30 frame rate per second and 4K videos at 30 and 60 frame rates per second. Looking at some of the extra features of the OnePlus 9 smartphone, the OnePlus 9 smartphone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and an operating system of Android 11. It is 5G enabled, it comes with a USB-C charger, and it also has this wireless charging capability at the rate of 65 watts. So this is it for my mini review of the OnePlus 9 smartphone. The phone is also a good phone and it can also fit into many uses, especially if you are into content creation. So this is it guys, until we see again in the next video. Good profit sharing.
Change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second, this life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing, new focus.